We step into the kitchen of Karen Gordon, who together with her brother Halstead Omier shares a beloved family recipe that has brought relatives together for generations, a delicious homemade banana cake. Simple ingredients, plenty of flavor, a touch of family tradition make this recipe a favorite whenever loved ones gather around the table. Let's see this banana cake recipe.
Everything.
Mr. Halstead peeling the banana for the banana cake. Mash 6 ripe banana in a large bowl. Add 1 cup of sugar and mix well.
Please take the rank out of the egg.
In a separate bowl, beat 4 eggs and remove any egg whites. Strain if you desire. Add the egg to the banana mixture. Then add half stick butter and stir until combined.
You stir.
Next, add 4 cups of flour. Add an inch of cinnamon, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder.
Okay, now stir, but one direction please, not a change in direction.
Mix well.
If it's lump, it doesn't matter, but if you mix it too much, as I said, algo. But you see how it is?
Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. One cup of milk. You may also add natilla custard, sour cream.
Natilla. Y salga mejor, le echa natilla en vez de leche. Es lo que hago yo cuando quiero.
For extra moisture and flavor, stir until the batter is smooth.
¿Pasa? ¿Tiene pasa?
Sí.
Okay.
Con nueces.
Con nueces también.
For additional texture and taste, you can add raisin, nuts, or almonds. Grease a Pyrex baking dish with oil or butter, then pour the batter into the dish. Bake for 40 or 60 minutes, or until a toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. See the cake here. It's still good, Allow to cool slightly, then serve and enjoy.
After I made it, and I know how it tastes.
Delicious.